your NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
A little bit of rainfall moved into the area. Most of the day today has been cloudy, at least here in Green Bay. Farther northward, you folks were dealing with some of the rainfall first, and then this afternoon there came the band of rain. It was a very quick band, but it did cause the roads to get a little bit wet out there. Still a few light misty rain showers moving through the area as a cold front is sweeping through, and it is in the form of rain. But farther to the north, especially north central Wisconsin, northwest Wisconsin, there was some wet snow that actually started to move in before it turned over to rainfall. Now, as you can see farther to the west, we have dry weather moving in here. There's the low pressure moving into over Lake Michigan, moving down to the southeast. High pressure is off to the west. But tomorrow we could perhaps start off sunny and then turn a little bit more cloudy because we do have a second system moving down to the southeast. This will bring an increase in cloud cover. Shouldn't really see any precipitation, but some of the high-resolution forecast models are suggesting maybe a flurry overnight as we go into Friday morning. Here's what SkyCast shows for the remainder of the evening hours. That band of moisture moves quickly out of the area, and we could probably see maybe a couple more hours of a light sprinkle, but by late tonight, we turn dry. And then the clouds will actually start to break apart. And by tomorrow morning, starting off mostly cloudy to overcast, but by the afternoon, we could actually have some sunshine, some sunny hours. And then later in the afternoon, early evening comes that secondary front, brings in the cloud cover, and we stay partly cloudy to overcast skies overnight into Friday morning. And then Friday will be another sunny day, just a little bit cooler than what we're anticipating for tomorrow. Also, a little heads up for the Oconto River. Right now has just been issued a flood warning, really in the last few hours, anticipating it to hover right around that minor flood stage, not anticipating significant flooding. The rest of the viewing area, we have the Wolf River under a flood warning, the Omro area for some ice jams and melting snowfall. They're seeing some local roads under some water. The Fox River in Green Lake County, the Manitowoc River in Manitowoc County, and that pretty much is, so far, the local area rivers under the flood warnings. 41 degrees right now. It feels like 37 with a wind out of the south at 6 miles per hour. A little bit cooler up in Mountain, 38, 43 in Sheboygan, 44 in Fond du Lac, 38 in Clintonville, and 36 in Kewaunee. Winds are starting to change directions a little bit out of the northwest for a lot of us. That's that cold front moving in. Ahead of the front, winds out of the south, behind the front, out of the northwest, and the winds will actually start to pick up a little bit as we go into the future. Into Thursday afternoon, we could see gusts upwards of 25 to perhaps near 30 miles per hour as another system approaches our area. So for tonight, gradual clearing. The rain showers should start to end, 31 degrees. And then for tomorrow, we'll be warming up to about 48, partly cloudy skies. Sometime during the day, we should see more sunshine. And then the same thing on Friday, mostly sunny skies. Another beautiful day on Saturday, high of 47. Some light rain showers possible as we get towards Sunday, high of 46, and then behind that system, temperatures do briefly cool down to 36, and then a gradual warm up back into the 50s. And talking about kind of clear skies in that forecast, let's why don't we take a look at this video?
Yes,
apparently
let's do it.
Down towards Wisconsin, southern Wisconsin. This is in Dane County, and what you see with that flash right there with the circle is a deputy who was driving during the overnight shift saw this meteor falling through Earth.
That's so cool.
And yeah, absolutely. The sheriff's office said this morning that our field deputies have the best offices, and actually we have a full moon tonight, and go figure, it's cloudy.
I was going to ask you, I mean, is tonight a good night to maybe see a meteor falling into Earth? And
not this area, but thankfully we have a large country, so I'm sure there's somewhere here that
I wonder how fast that thing is coming into Earth.
Oh, probably like 25,000 miles per second or something.
Look at that, you know.
Yeah, it goes fast.
All right, Gino.